The robot revolution is no longer science fiction. In 2026, artificial intelligence is stepping into the physical world. For decades, AI lived mostly in software. Now humanoid machines can see, reason, and act inside spaces designed for people. Factories are the first proving ground. Repetitive lifting, inspection, and assembly offer controlled environments where physical intelligence can learn quickly. The real challenge begins at home. Every room is unpredictable, and even simple chores demand balance, judgment, and extraordinary adaptability. Before touching the real world, robots practice millions of movements in simulation, failing safely and carrying successful lessons into physical bodies. Dexterity is the breakthrough. Reliable hands turn impressive demonstrations into useful machines that can handle tools and delicate objects. In care settings, the goal should be assistance, not replacement, reducing physical strain while keeping empathy and human connection firmly human. Robots can also enter places people should not. Extreme heat, toxic environments, unstable structures, and other jobs where distance saves lives. This will rewrite work, not simply erase it. New roles will emerge around supervision, maintenance, training, safety, and human-machine coordination.
System stable.
Capability is outrunning standards. Testing, emergency controls, cybersecurity, and accountability must mature before mass deployment. The decisive question is not whether humanoid robots are coming. It is how deliberately we choose the rules, incentives, and future they serve. Subscribe to TrendSpark for the technologies shaping tomorrow, before tomorrow arrives.